from doctor to doctor. Lockdown yi ba ye say ye nko school. Na mofra no susu no ya na yesi wo mba ye distance learning. Na me pese di ho nkomo kakra because nipa no be confused. Na ye ka distance learning pa dia obia enka enya Mrs. Theodosia Jackson, Ma Jackson. Now we principal Jackson Educational Complex. We expert in distance and e-learning. You can e-learning na. You di fa internet so. You even with TV so ni dia ye bapa dia. Umemu ha. Ye nyino na ansani ya koyi obi. Ye nyi obi ansani ya koyi no. Eti ene ntwe nkomo kakra na afege nsua bibi kakra said ye enema ne sitie. Ma Theodosia Jackson, principal Emma Jackson Educational Complex. Memo Achimba okay FM so.
Yeah, umini abema.
Okay. And I want to say
or therefore not to see me who ye papa.
Ami. Ye can't say Bibia your friends said distance and e-learning pa dear young kwajina ni ebua. We shall see a che microphone ni Jackson Educational Complex. Nia abay. Say no say ye nyina university for nkwada ye nketo ampani for ye nyina resort to distance and then e-learning no ye kasa pa nani so ne say
yo mini abema me dase distance learning ya kwanya bia wo fa so akire obi ade wo bra edipakro no on kotna classroom on in fefo nyina kotna classroom na ode ne ho na nso osia de ti se wa me ne wo kasa yi wo betumi akosia de wo America wo nkoho wo betumi asia de wo bra wo ye wadwuma na enha wadwuma no wo nya nto ho ema aboso mfa wo chobox ne wo gari nkotna baabi se wo ko school Oti wufie ya kana at the comfort of your home. Oti wufie no na wusua de. Nti COVID-19 ba ye no. Mahu se Ghana Education Service, a Minister of Education, one more I introduce bi our TV so ni ade ama secondary school for no ni ade. Me ba wo ma baso wo sa kwanya na wo ma faso no. Ti se Ghana ha na sa distance learning nyinto mo manipa enyanti ase na ansa na meka ho bibi no wahu se ye lock down you know I sorry nyina akura ye distant worshiping wahu mfaso ni bi ye kura no ye no distant funeral said ye rector for Professor Plange Rule
Plange Rule, yeah.
Thousands oko platform this one. Thousands ebi were taking part on his 1 week celebration alone. Sanka wayano wani kroma anankra ya na kumasi akandipa he na beko. Abrochire fo he ana kebetumi aba. Ti eno na medi bie kwan ama ya adwene ada ho say distance learning no eye adepa ekwan papa bia ye fa so ma enipa ehunim de edi osua de na sa distance learning na meken say ye local down kan kwara yi titifie eno ane se wo mo bo game wo mo hwe film ni ade nanso aboa bebre ema wo mo tumi tra TV ho ni ade edisia de ki eya kwanya eye na eboa papa ewo omayimu
mami edie ben na eye wani swade hunu ni emfamfiri ho bra wo sha ase se obeye sa distance and e-learning bra kura nem ese nipa bi wa adwene bi se ni oni pasua sa ade no a de esu hunu nyina obehunu edie na eye wani swade hunu
me da se pa me woti mama emofra ena me hu se emofra bebre ni nam city mu na yesi bia bewo wani no utu ase eye den na doctor for mane parliamentarians ma komu gwabuchire womu wu city mu enton plantain chips ne chewing gum ne ehonkro ne ba ni nyina fare by the say Woman egu nkurase a ɛkɔ school no. Woman ni a teacher for. Woman bua woman. Eti na I kept on asking the question. BEC any what you know. Woman 32 standard questions. The same questioner. OBTK and USC demonstration school, Legon demonstration UCC demonstration school. Ebe answer no. No sa question na no bi suti koko bia se brahabe bome anka de profred de. Ono so ye expect say on answer question no so passing secondary school. Na me anim sanya free SHS ye ba ye ya kasam kurasifuo yi ni emududo na ntumi nko secondary school bi ti mi hu se ho no teacher for nko ho wo ma akọ training college kura no o postu bi ko ho a onko da ti wo mo de I say wo mo shebre destiny no ya wo mo se wo mo nye ye da wo mo se ho no wo mo yikusie no wo mo nto niema e wo ka kwa ho ti e kan makoma se ene emetiti akyerɛkyerɛfo na wo ma tumi aboa wo mo ti ne atia ni se obi kyerɛ de wo ho dada obi wo ho a oni nimdie no nso ɔte akura na se ɔyɛ people teacher anabibi ti wodi nimdie no kɔtoa no ɛwɔ ne kuromu a ohu nimdie na nso de ne ba kuromu a no nso so ɔma ɔbɛtena hɔ a na ɔde aboa baabi a ɔwɔ no eti adwene ne ba sɛ mɛyɛ college na mesisi diamond nipa bedem da manu aduane ama wo madi ti study e wo ho dada no aden na me de me family college no enkokɔ baabi a ebeboa ma wo ma e kira de no we no on feel in class room edu weekend bi a na waba no wabaji nim de weekday no no de akɔkira de eti start wo sa kwan no so kakra tell me di nim de no ma akyerɛkyerɛfo ebisa ne dama koma so ye emofra na me pese me bua wo mo e wo man mu
I see mami yenhwe said your college ye are running a year distant learning ni e-learning ni ade na mo sa question ba ko one ya say university sia wo mo so abeka ho online tuition no ni ade no afutuo bi ene say
afutu a me de ma won say distance learning no unlike congregational tuition nipa na boa wo mo ho ano eno mpempi no etumi kwaye chew pass and forget but distance learning the wa we hye ufie ana wusia it is a one sia ubefeli enti afutu a me de ma university fo a wo mo nso so eye bi sa abra ye nyina yeti fie and they say they should make time. Nobody gets time. Obia ni adaji time with their own to mean create time on my but you make time. Ade hiya wa unya emre eye sadien. Enti no mesra womo se phone any chatting any nkomo any films any niema emfra no womo enyam fanto nchen na womo concentrate on syllabus no any near university no eya boa womo no distance learning ya bema assignment wo fie they should do it and submit it on time bibia your timing distance learning no obi metna wo so eboa ma onipa na ye research onipa na sua de ne esese osua no onipa na etiase enne Usha ye universities yi kura overcrowding. Womu kwada yi kwada chesi kura. Ubakasa womu kwa stadium baby. The way womu nam campus eni haso. Chese oye leti kwa lecture kura hano. Wankwa lecture na hano. But distance learning there is no escape. What you feel ni yesi ye. Nti wanja mfa wo results ankwa. Obi entumi mpaso. Na wonti obi ni wonti na wakopi no. Eti eye independent learning eye bibia wa bo ho so se ubesia eti books a etese unya mre ekan unya daji ekan wo ye consistent wo fie no you apportion your time you should be disciplined se onipa bia ne wo ye no wan hye wo ho so a wontimi nye why you used to secondary school teacher betina wanim no ochro board so na we are fiti pansam no ko we dia wuti fie ni yesi wa ye exercise ye way the one make it time to do what is expected of you when you baba ho so no na bia university no bebie na obeye sohwe na want to me anya nea esese wo ye ti kan form ma wo mo se niema huna ehu ni mfaso no wo mo mfanto nchen na wo mo ensia de ebebua wo mo ama wo mo timi explore ehu niema bebre a wo course kura wo ye no distance learning research wo ye no ebebua ma wati niema bebre ase ma wa no aboa wo ama daachi no wo mfa ho nto so obi mpo employ wo ma wadwuma wa no ebebua wo ama wati mi anya adwuma ye
mami ni yenhwe ya na manfo ehwe se how can we ensure the standards of education say ya adopt distance learning module no any say bi anka okota classroom asua that traditional one was say e better need to ensure the quality standards
quality standard is quality and it cannot be changed. One near OPT classroom ya children no distance learning the same syllabus the same thing no so Asian to say me college me say topics ni nyina na ye aye models enye textbook ya no models interactive no actually say ya in such a way say wo facilitator and our teacher no ejina wanim titi say me book ni bi ubie mu a chapter 1 hello learner, how are you this morning? We have come to learn about this topic. At the end of the topic, I expect you to know about this, that. Now, we are book name, wama summary, no wama assignment, any test beer, as I said, wo ye. Enti, the edikano, wo interactive book. Enti, the same as teacher nijina wenim, ewo classroom no. Yes, I use online portal. Yes, I to submit college the same. Yes, I was Zoom, WhatsApp, Telegram, Google. Centers be facilitator their students in who or your demonstration or your BBA. And it's sending a classroom. Ube lecture no. The same way which you fear to be a computer. And now phone and now the Ukraine we will lecture no. See, when we talk about standards, I don't understand. Standard is standard. It's the same. Nagana for bibia ba ya di share gidimu say ye be way the Let me tell you, my students are one year akọ further studies for UCC, UEW, outside the country. They have expelled.
Wow.
It's a distance learning is substandard. How did they expel? If you were Canada, if you were UK, I've met them. Baby, Ghana, hey, make a monitoring. Northern Ghana, Upper East, Upper West, and North East in Yade. Now, the way education officers commending the students, you know. I wish that video you saw it. The woman refused. The way I'm so different, hard working. Over there, we brought the same other colleges, you know. You possess in Mukrakoha, Wapunko. You did make from this in overseas in Yadina, Garunkwa, 460 of my students, Namikoshia, Wamo.
Wow.
I say, and yet distance learning, yeah, Anka, they will never go there. Abua Maya City Binu for the rural community, Wamo Abua, Babia, Meko Zibila, anything. We monitor them. And we get a report that they are performing excellently. People who don't know us, baby, no more can they don't know. Now, can say, me a distance learning, the same heads of departments, lecturers, professors, one university, no. Woman and monitor, woman and 30 questions, woman and monitor, Amaki, Ayabibia. This is what the University of Education Winneba. Now, the same lecturer and 30 questions. Monitor Beshe Martin, Emma or results. Now, Jackson, so now you're in distance learning. Not the same topic, and also 30 questions and monitor Emma or results. What is the difference in the standard?
I see, Mammy, now, Mammy, where COVID-19 was sent by Corona, Abese, Minister of Education, at the Sa novel idea ye online and e-learning intervention for junior and senior high schools. Na sanka wo ma expert opinion on the omodia bar. Isansa wo college solely or more pretty on distance learning. Enka efutu be na ade be ma.
Me dofo we abie ye nyinaa. What say free SHS into yako double track. A double track e bi 3 years 2 months ne biako ne biaba na ya fa double teachers na headmasters ni ade ye tua bi ka double ni ade but say ke distance learning na ke ye one catch eti we no abebua ama ye hu say when we adopt this system now thousands and thousands will benefit from it. Who said double track into abayin sisi classrooms bebre sisi assembly hall sisi dormitories tompa na bidiba yeni nkonya yeni way na abayin sense feedi won na wati onwani fia wo beto banchi ni gari akoma na woni fie ansa na wasua de enti no ekwan bi so no ka eye economical enti no afutu a me de be mane say eye better say ye be expand internet base, you know. The challenges we are having is communities in the electricity, network, anyhow. Government alone cannot do anything. Government should partner with private sector. Now, yeah, expanding your internet base. I was happy. I was listening to Sky News and Ra. Sky News, kurase yet higher the brochure UK kurase the woman internet. The Enra Sky News, you know, they want to expand internet to a lot of the communities in the rural sector because you see the more information near there woman see there cost. So necessary yes be a team yeah COVID-19 yen na technology in the nation no yan hwe wasamunka because COVID-19 no twamu kura distance learning and the twamu da. It is a starting point for the whole world. Now, no, South Africa, everywhere. Now, US, no many are there. One more year, the deeper year PhD, Ghana ha distance learning. And no yen to make a substandard. Or they get their PhD, all right. And you be here. As I say, so many years, now you build on. Now, a education. Mitofu, education in the nation, no any problem, no. Just COVID-19, stay at home a year to pass. Oh, lack of education, ignorance, a disease. Ignorance is a disease. A serious disease than poverty. Ignorance and poverty is also a great. We need to educate our people. School a big free SHS, woman yes serious. Shedia ebeba news media. Nkwara na ko gugu hokra sebi no mo dia ye jaman ye nko class ye nye we obi ntia wo ka tia teacher ka ma waduane ni na wo kwatena ho na misuse opportunity na wanya no. We feel say aban no betwa nani abehwe distance learning in all level. Me call UK me nana no me work class 1 woman nyina ye homework and sending work online to their teachers. What teachers no so my woman ye detention everything. They o kwarane ye no kwarana me wow. Entini yan so ye betimi develop kakra Rome was not built in a day. Ye betimi develop kakra to a point to say ye bedu bebia ebema ye well educated cross section of the youth no majority will be educated. May share videos in market and on street. Coronavirus, hardly can people pronounce it. Hardly can people pronounce sanitizer. Why?
Santana, sanitation, Conola.
What the same? It's na illiteracy, ignorance, and queen. No way.
Hey,
when first say yes, bibi anti COVID-19. Na yem fan she bra papa biase e wo yenim bia ho e wo man mu.
Ma me kai pass em say uhumi abehum say o man mu ba ko. Ebra evangel kwa ye lunch ye him no Reverend Ato Brown e wo eja Methodist no. O ka say o na be lunch ma ye. Aye. Sabre no ayi Reverend Ato Brown. Aye. Eni ni Lavana no. Na me ka ho. Aye. Mom ye. Yes, and great.
Nyami kira.
Also.
My year chorister na me wo university kwa. Me started your chorister in 1968.
Hey.
Until I belong to a lot of choirs.
Yeah.
Having a new year koto.
Yeah, koto.
Having me preaching the word of God is Jesus. It means preaching. They are new. They are kahon. It's a for the year radia ya. It's a set kokan for the one year you nyamia ye.
My, we be send me say when me musa we nam dem fan twatwo. Em say afa brepa. E say be like who you or college. Obi per se like was source for application no what is that one kwa
but also obi per se
bia opese ohunu bia okọ the net so no ko hunu school no Jackson education complex no e-learning and distance learning no opese okọ ho na okọ search up na bia kura enroll ya onye den
oh but obetumi akoye website near wo info@jackson@edu@gh and now say obetumi akọ www.jackson@edu@gh oko sa site obenya a lot of information about us we are krano enyankopon ebie kwan ama through this distance learning no a department your friend Jackson Institute of Innovation and Leadership. We know you be statistics, you be training and crofo. Work, what business sector near no. We are going to have CPDs. We are going to have lectures. We are going to train them. That biano oche anawu Jackson Institute of Innovation and Leadership. With this distance learning, we are going to train leaders for the nation.
Mom, you better no paper.
Mr.
Methodist volume, a child to keep I have no last no se boa mammy rain, naman sor, naman chew to me, Madame Gumegma, mo onye.
Onyame onshraw.
Onshraw so. Ma bye.
Bye.
Mrs. Theodosia Jackson, principal, Jackson Educational Complex, expert. Na mami what think kwadawo suku mu pa obi a wonim tech no wura tech ya. Baby e swimming pool no wo no. Bo soro ho no. Aha, sa maami no on e na etwe nko.
Okay FM 101.7